Here's Reddy App Corporate Messenger, where teamwork happens. Keep in touch with your colleagues and clients, organize your contact list, set reminders, and keep track of tasks all in the mobile app. So here you have it. Quite a trending app recently. So here you can just open it up, and then you can just tap sign in, and then just create your account. You need to have an invite here to install and use the app, basically. So that's the idea. Uh, and yeah, so you need to have invite from your company, from your team to get started. Um, Sharing your profile, managing sessions, hotkey chat groups. Overall, it's quite a good app which you can just try, and that's what it is.